These earbuds pack big speaker sound into an in-ear headphone. The Audis ISINE10 feature an innovative design, but their sound specs blow much of the competition out of the water. Take one look at the iZines, and you'll already know that they're not your typical set of headphones. For one, they look like they're straight out of a Star Wars film. They're also bigger than your average headphones, equipped with planar magnetic diaphragms, tech usually only seen in larger speakers. Audis has successfully shrunk this speaker technology into compact headphones. A CES Innovation honoree, these headphones deliver clear, unparalleled sound. Its voice coil technology allow you to hear distinct notes that other headphones miss. You'll be able to listen to every beat of the drum, every strum of the guitar, and every stroke on the keyboard on even the most complicated of songs. The ISINE10s come with a bunch of accessories, including a 1.5mm audio cable, plus ear hooks and earlocks for long listening comfortability. It delivers 24-bit digital audio from iPhone/iPad/iPod straight to the headphones, and you can also download the Audis Companion app for real-time audio customization.